So welcome back again to the Theorem Carpenter's tutorial series in the Zoho Creator app. So have you ever wondered using a Zoho Creator app with send mail functions in a script or in a workflow? And today I will show you how to do that. And to start, for example, in here there is a form, product model, and a specification report. So what we're going to do is whenever a record or product model has been created in this form, automatically an email notifications will be sent to the agent email, uh, notifying him whenever the product is accepted or not, or will be under observation. So to begin with, let's navigate your screen and go to edit this application and go to workflow, and we will create a workflow from scratch. Choose from this form the product model and specification, and will only run a record when it is a created, and it will be triggered after a successful form submission. So whenever a record is instantly created, the workflow will be trigger and the process will run into. So let's name the workflow just send mail, and let's create the workflow. Add new action and go to the lead script. So to begin writing a script, we will just navigate here in the left panel, and under miscellaneous there is a send mail function ready made for us, and we will just drag and drop here, or you can easily type send mail and just press enter, and it will show the contents of sending an email. So what are the elements in sending an email? So it's the from who send the email, and it's us. So the email that is linked with this creator app is just type Zoho that admin user ID, or we can create an alias so it will cover the exact email, and just do this, and let's say gadgets, this would be the format of making an alias for your email in this application. So I will show you later that your email that is linked in this creator app will be covered by this word gadgets. And next is the recipient, so it would be the agent email. And next is the subject, so new product accepted. And you can create a message, just simply enclose it with quotations and create a paragraph tag and its closing tag, just as simple like this. And you can create a message whatever you want, whatever sentence you can compose. So let's say your product is under observation. We will notify you once it is ready to be displayed in our store. And we can just review your email and just click save if you're done. and we will try whenever we create a record, and this email will be sent to the agent email. Let's try it. And now we will test the workflow by creating a record. Let's say GTech, model name is GT24, SKU is 001, quantity is 20, and agent mail is this one, arnoldextension@gmail.com. Let's submit it, and we will check this email if it receives an email notification from this creator application. And now we can see that the email notification is sent to the email that we have set in what we have input in the record, and it's this one, and it has the alias for the Zoho admin user ID. It covers the email of the creator app, and it has the body that we have set, the message. So that's how easy you use send email as a script in a workflow. Thank you for watching this video.